Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Scorpio back here for another video. This is my first Subway Surfers video. And so, as you can see up at the very top, I have 217 hoverboards. I am trying to get to 500 hoverboards. If I get 500, I want to get 750. And if we get 750, I want to get 1,000. So, I need 300 to get, a hoverboard. So let's click coins. Yes, I am a master of Subway Surfers. Yeah, I like going high. Get J. Nope. Okay. Bam. Go. Don't want to get hit. A quick tip to get to the ground quickly is to jump up and roll down. I get scared in the small spaces and doing these train thing parts. Good. Gonna get the M. This one's easy. So wait, comment down below if you guys think that I can get the last letter, which is P for the word jump. And don't cheat. Yes, I did get it, but don't cheat. So I need a name. I need a name for you guys. So, comment down below some names. Actually, don't comment down below some names, because I already have a name for you guys. And it is the Scorpions. Yep. Yeah, that's what we'll call you, the Scorpions. Or the Scorpios. Scorpions and Scorpios. You know what, comment down below if you guys should be called the Scorpions or the Scorpios. Comment down below. Right after this video. Yes, I had the magnet, I completely forgot. And I just lost the magnet. And I got another magnet. Wait, what the heck was that? Why are we getting magnets non-stop? Oh, I just died. No, I got 557 coins. As you guys can see, oh, well, I can't see point, but yeah. And guys, oh, I got 11 out of 11. That's a lot. But I am doing this vlogs this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. But hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, so you get notified whenever I upload a video, and hit the like button. Bye guys, I'll see you in another video.